Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of this AISITIN LED solar fountain pump with 3 watts and a large 1500 milliamp battery. So this works during the day while it's also charging, and with the remaining charge it will then work also during the night. So here's what we get. You can see it nicely protected, and here we get it already. It doesn't start automatically because it has a sensor here built in. This is a water sensor, and it only works when there is water. This is a very important protection because a lot of these solar fountains do not have this protection, and when they run out of water then the pump will run dry and will be damaged. That's not going to happen here. As you can see, it will only run when we touch it, and you can see also the light then working. Comes also with this nice protection here on top, which you can remove, and you can see this really nice finish, good protection, really solid build everywhere. What's also important that we can open and clean that. We can just pull it out here, and then we remove the protection here, and we can also remove the inside, and we can even remove the impeller here. As you can see, we can take it out, clean everything, put it easily back, close the compartment again, put back the strainer. You have to make sure that you put it on the right side here with this gap, and then we just push it in. This is exactly how we want it. So really good quality, very good for maintenance. And then it comes with many nozzles, so we can use the small nozzles directly from here, this and this one, but we can also use this extension pole, add one of these really nice sprinkler heads on top, and then put it on top. Here we have all of these 4 heads, really nice ones, and these 2 heads which we can directly use. So a lot of possibilities, and so I'm showing you here a couple of options with the different sprinkler heads. You can see how nicely they really work. The pump has a lot of power, so even with the nozzles on, still sprays really high. So it's beautiful to watch with all these different kind of nozzles. It's really amazing, beautiful, works solid the whole time. I've never had any issues. It was never really clogged. It looks like the filter is working really good, and the solar panel has high efficiency, so it can really charge the battery at the same time while it's supplying enough power to the pump. And so it hasn't been working also in the evening quite a while, for a couple of hours. This is really nice. So it's not only working during the day, but actually even more beautiful during the evening and during the night when it has a full charge with these different colors. Yeah, so for me it really worked. I love the thing, and so I can give you full recommendation, and I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.